This is the internet assignment for class Hsc-310, and I will be talking about the health-related website Kids Health. So first, you're going to look up Kids Health. It should be the first option that pops up on the page. And so this is our opening page, and so you can see there are 4 options for you to choose from. And so let's click on Parents. So this is the Parents page. And what's great is on the tabs at the top, you can switch back and forth. So this one's the kids. You can tell this one's more animated and more and then there's the teen page. And so let's go back to the kids page. What's cool about this page is that there's a tab for dictionary. And so that way kids can easily understand medical terms that are going to be used on this page, and then there's also a tab for movies and more. So that just makes this website more interactive and more fun for kids to use. And so let's go back to the parents page, and so let's click on infections. So then there's a list of all these topics under infections. Click on one of them, and there's even more topics underneath. And so this is the article. And so there's an option to listen to the article if you don't want to read. So let's try that.
The following article is from Kids Health. Appendicitis.
Okay, there you go. And then there's a bunch of pictures and videos throughout the article. Let's go back to the teens and let's go to Q&A. So all the Q&A topics are specific for teenagers, and so everything on every page is specific for that group. So for kids, the Q&As are gonna about kids, and then the parents, their Q&A is gonna be about their kids. Okay, and so to get onto the educators page, you're just going to click on Kids Health, and then it's going to redirect you to their opening page, and you're just going to click Educator site. And so this one you can tell is more professional and more direct. And so you're going to click on these left tabs. Let's go to K to grade 2. So there's going to be 3 topics: human body, health problems, and personal health. So that's going to be the same for every grade group. And so let's go to human body. And so this is what that looks like. Ooh. So let's click on teacher's guide. So this takes you to a different page, and here are more links to related. So here are more links to the related topic and just questions, and you're able to print these out, hand them out in class, or just save it for later use. So look, all these topics. Okay, and to go back, you just click Kids Health for Kids or Kids Health for Teen, which is at the top. So now you're back to this page. And then if you're looking for something specific, you can always search it right here in this bar. And let's go to about Kids Health. So here you can read more about Kids Health and the foundation. It's part of the Morris Foundation, which is right here in this area. You can read about it. This is a good website for parents, kids, teenagers, or educators to look through to help educate others or themselves about health-related topics. And what's great about this page is that it makes things much more easier to learn, and it's fun, it's cool to look at, and it's just less overwhelming than other health pages. So there you go. This is Kids Health, and hopefully you decide to check it out.